ready, Blaine.
Look at that one. It took it back to the hive. For the nest.
Oh, look at the pelican.
Hive.
Yeah. Isn't that
Oh,
cool?
that's a big one.
Come on, you want a Cheeto?
They're calling all their
Big
friends.
enough for Tony the tiger.
Here, throw them to him. Those want some.
What's your drink?
Who knew birds like Cheetos?
If that's humidity. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I know. And look down there. It's not like that.
He's scared to come that close. Oh, that one's not. Come on. Come on, birdie, birdie. Oh, that one stole it out from under it.
Throw one of the baby birds.
Look at the bird. Can you eat a Cheeto?
It's scared. Throw it farther, Blaine. Throw
it further away.
Oh, look at those up there.
Whoa.
That were there.
Feel it.